Isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat at nandito po tayo ngayon sa isa sa ating bagong proyekto located sa Makamot, Binangonan, Rizal. Ito ang Easton Heights. So itong property po natin ay 7 hectares. It's very elevated. Gusto ko makita nyo kung ano po, saan po located ang ating property. Can you see this, guys? The whole property is well elevated with a view of Belacutan devices, 186 meters above sea level. So just imagine the flood-safe community you are living in. Plus, we have a master plan community within the top of the hill located at Binangonan, Rizal. You can avail a very stunning and elegant turnover such as we have a CCTV, clubhouse, swimming pool, entrance gate, and of course, our property to choose from. Ito ang ating Unit B. This is a 2-story townhouse. Nakikita nyo po sa harapan natin. Ito po yung tinatawag nating semi-finished turnover. Ito naman po ang ating basic finish turnover na naka-dress up lamang. So, ang turnover po nitong basic finish natin is minus the dress up or the furniture. Pasukin po muna natin ang ating semi-finish. So, in here, makikita nyo po, meron po tayo ditong ground floor. We have a cemented 1 carport. Pagpasok nyo po ng ating unit, we have a PVC door, a sliding window, and a smooth finish na cement sa ating flooring. Makikita nyo po makinis ang ating turnover, guys. Painted na po yan. Tama po ito. Tamang-tama po ito sa isang nagsistart na family. In here, you'll be greeted with your dining area. At the back of your front door, you have your toilet and bath. Yan. Kung ano po yung nakikita nyo, again, yan na po ang actual turnover. We have a tiled restroom complete with its basic fixtures such as the shower area, the sink, and in here you can make use of this place as your shoe rack po. So, depende po yan kung ano po yung maisipan yung ilagay sa portion na yan. In here, you have your kitchen area / dining. So, dito nyo po pwedeng lagay yung dining table. At the back, you have a back door for your ventilation that also serves as your service area or laundry area. Ang atin pong stairs is buhos, mga kaibigan. Nakitin po natin. Dahil ito po is semi-finish. Ang ating taas po ay naka-finish. Ang cement, ang flooring, this is provision of 2 bedrooms. Ayan. So, meron naman pong option si buyer na mag-avail ng ating basic finish na bahay. Ito pong papasukin natin sa kabila. And gusto ko lang i-comment na si developer po, nagkaroon po siya ng provision for your air condition. In here, meron po tayong terrace. Yan. Pwede nyo pong lagyan ng laundry or mga plantita po natin. Hanging plants po. Pasukin natin ngayon ang ating basic finish model. Tara! So, in here, pasukin natin mga kabayan ng ating basic finish. By the way, our Unit B townhouse has a lot area of 50 to 120 square meter and the floor area of 89 to 92 or 95 square meter. Tara! So, kagaya lang din po ang ating facade. Ay, ang cute po neto mga kabayan. Nakaabang na po ang ating ilaw for your garage. Pasukin po natin. So, naka-dress up po ito. Again, ang inyo pong turnover ay basic finish. Ang pagkakaiba po ng ating turnover is number 1, your flooring po. Naka 60 by 60 tiles na po itong ating basic finish. So, kung kayo po ay magde-decorate ng inyong mga units, ganito nyo po siya aayusin. You have your dining here. And you have here your dress-up toilet and bath at the ground floor. Ayan. The service area. Ayan. Ito po yung inyong kitchen and dining area. Akyatin po natin. So, naglagay po dito ng holder for your stairs for safety purposes. Naka-vinyl ang ating mga tiles. And in here, they made a 3-bedroom unit. So guys, pansin nyo yung kaninang pinasok natin. Akala nyo 2 bedrooms lang, ano? 3 bedrooms pala siya pag nagawa. So, this is the master's area or the master's bedroom. Yung nakita nyo po kaninang balcony, ito na po siya. Yan. So guys, ang ganda, napaka-homey ng ating property. A mix of cream brown and natural colors. We also have the bedroom number 2. Pwede nyo pong ilagay dito ang inyong overhead cabinet. And the bedroom number 3. At napapansin nyo po ba ang design ng dalawang to is intended really for the kids? Overhang ang mga cabinets. Spacious po siya. And we also have, yung susunod kong ipapakita sa inyo, ang ating townhouse unit or the unit A, which is the 2 carport townhouse. Tara na, puntahan natin.